Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash device not secure. If your GCash shows a device not secure warning, don't worry, it's usually easy to fix. This message often appears when your phone has the developer options turned on, a VPN is active, or your app or system is outdated. Start by updating your phone software to the latest version, then open the Play Store and make sure GCache is updated as well. Next, turn off any VPNs you're using, as this can sometimes trigger security alerts. If the issue persists, head to your phone settings, scroll to additional settings, and find developer options. Simply switch it off to disable it. Finally, clearing your app cache can also help. Just go to settings, open your app list, select Gcache, and tap clear cache. Avoid clear data unless you're fine logging back in. Once that's done, reopen Gcache and check if the warning is gone. That's how you can fix a device not secure issue and get back to using Gcash safely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.